almost equal. They're using all skills they practicing in their clubs. And the more important, they using almost the whole field. That is very important. If you now we have a bigger field, we will have a problem.
Kuule siin on ju, saab 2 täitsa täis välja.
Now I want to koja kolona prva završi, dobija vod.
Ali moramo da idemo svake kapice, važno je. Slušajte znak, sudije.
So you can see, in our competition, we want these kind of things too, not only the games. If we focus only the games, we get the problem. Each weekend, before each weekend, we give the clubs what we're going to do to the next weekend. So they can practice, and after the game, they have this kind of competition. When they finish the game, this competition, we have workshops. Do you have any question?
How does this count to the whole competition?
They have almost in the game. They have almost 3, 1, and 0.
Yeah.
But in this, they have one for each winning, and we are put it in the all. But we have also the fair play. We're giving in the all. When we finished more points, and after that we have the all-winning season for some teams. Every rules, regulations.
Ta ei teagi, ta pole ise kunagi mänginud, pole teinud sportigi veel. See poiss on nõrgem, miks panna? Seda ei mõelda, et võiks lihtsalt teha nagu...
In this ages up there, they play with arms and...
Oho.
Evo vez, nek dođi ovdje sad na 1 na 1.
No veel kord, ma filmin veel.
Which level you play?
Elite youth. It's an amateur. Because I went private business and football. I played amateur level. Recreational. Yeah. You see? I'm not in good shape.
You give them the chance to be better in this kind of things.
Igore.
I explained to one group, but we will separate. Okay, so I have to mention that in Fair Play League sometimes have in the same time the 6 matches. 6 matches on the one field. We have the 6 games in the same time. Sometimes 3, sometimes 4. It depends on the ages who is playing in that time.
These are all the boys from the football schools.
Ise on